among people who are here as undocumented aliens. And many of those people who could do immigration cases are now coming out from under the bushes, let's say, or from under the stones, and are trying to do their cases, which they could have done a year ago or 2 or 5 years ago. That's a good thing, because it's never good to delay such things.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you are eligible under the laws and regulations of 2016, but you will not be eligible under the new laws and regulations of 2017. So all those sleepers, I call them, not dreamers but sleepers, should now finally wake up and do their cases.
Yes, sometimes yes. Mm-hmm.
You asked also if there are any new regulations.
Yes.
It's strange that you ask. Only last week on Friday, Thursday or Friday, the Immigration Service published a whole set of new regulations, and some of them make it easier for the people who have H-1B visas to transit to permanent residency.
Mm-hmm.
Except for that, there are actually basically no new regulations.
Mm-hmm. Now, I have a lot of questions because, well, as I mentioned earlier, there are some people who had called our station and our newspapers, and they had been calling all these years, actually, getting the answers from you, listening to your expert advice. But I don't know, somehow they didn't take the action, and perhaps they have lost the time for so many years. And now they're panicking and they're trying to gather all the documentation. But hopefully with this program, Attorney Golan will be able to, give you step by step what are the things to gather in terms of documentation. Attorney Golan, well, before anything else, we'd like to thank the service of the veterans and to thank them for all the things they've done. And I know that there is now this parole program, and I've been receiving a lot of calls about it too. Would you like to give the latest information with regards to this? Still, a lot of people who are in the Philippines and can possibly qualify for this parole program would like to know more.
Well, basically, this is again a program, I hate to say it, which is typical of the Obama administration, making noise and making gestures, but for no much use. They came up in 2017 with a program